Computer, do you guys hear me? Oh, you guys can hear me now, right? Something is wrong with my computer. Yeah, oh my god, I was talking for like something is wrong with my computer. Look, my ninja just crashed.
Right now?
Yeah, look. I had it on and now it's crashed. What the fuck is going on here? Um all right, so I don't know what's going on. I was speaking for like 5 minutes and you guys we were reading your lips. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I was saying that I'm not the most bearish guy right now. The market is dropping off of news from China referring Apple and stuff that they will ban use of iPhones for government officials or something like that. I just barely saw the headlines. Um I'm sorry. I was just focused on doing the thing here. Um, let's see if I can get my ninja back on. Um, all right, so the ninja is back on, right? But all my drawings were erased. Morning bed. That's not good. All right, let's just all right, I have no data. There we go. Oh, okay. Now I do. All right, so let me re-put this the overnight high and low and save the chart. So all right, it should be saved. Yesterday's COT is above I would say yesterday's COT, yeah, is right here. All my lines were erased or deleted. I don't know what was going on here. All right, so I was saying that I'm not the most bearish guy today just because of the dollar, where the dollar is at. It's breaking highs, but is finding some sort of supplies. If the dollar finds supply, market is gonna bounce a little bit. Okay, like always, not as like a true statement. I just want to be aware of that. There we go. Oh, what made my thing crash? Who knows? All right, so I'm leaning to the long side. Um, just because of the dollar. Look at the dollar. Dollar is right here. hasn't been able to break to the upside. Now, if the dollar gets to this grade area, I might lean more to the short side. Let's see what happens when we reach the low from yesterday, which is, where is it? There you go, right here. So that is going to be a resistance point. I am not more optimistic about this resistance. Let's see if we can even reach there. All right. Thank you guys for being here. Jing Ling, long time no see, brother. I did take a break. I am in a new location. All right, so let's go check on the internals. Advanced decline, still negative, but right after the open, we just went up big time. Now, I don't have any supply. This is a resistance here. And then I have this from yesterday, the COT. And then I have the close here. Right here, yesterday's close. That's outrageous. That will mean that we will retrace the entire move. It's possible, but I don't know how likely it is. I wanna follow Apple very closely. And look, Apple just came to a COT, a demand zone that I have right here. This is Apple. This is the daily chart on Apple. And you can see how it came back to this level, retested it. It's the second time here. It's not fresh. So that means this level is already taken out. Like a lot of orders are out of this area, right? One, two, three times. This is the fourth time. The more time we spend here, the less I think it'll work. So we might have a retracement here and then a continuation to the downside. I was talking here with my partner that Apple has the potential to go back down to these levels, right? If a really bad news just is a really bad news, you know? But for now, we're just feeling all these orders here, a lot of aggressive buying here. If we want to check the index, I have this index for the fangs, right? I have the same COT but down here, down below. And this includes Tesla, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Meta, and Microsoft as well. Right? This is a collection. This is an index that I created for the fangs or the 6 horses, whatever. Regarding the markets, the Dow is flat. Actually, it's positive. The Nasdaq is very negative, minus 1.2, and the Russell is minus 0.7. All right, so I'll keep the dollar on. We don't have any other news today. Let me see. No, natural gas and crude oil inventories, but that's later. All right, so could be the entire move to the upside. I think the dollar is still at its highs. I'm not sure. I just rather the dollar being in some sort of demand, even if it doesn't work. Like at least I followed my plan. And the reason I'm not taking any long is because I don't have any demand here. If we scroll back to the left, we do have we do have these formations, right? But the real demand is down here. The real demand is 2740. That's why I'm not inclined to take any longs yet, unless something is created here. The good thing is that we have plenty of time. We can wait and wait and wait. Can you?
Of course.
Of course. There you go.
Bro, if they only take a long if you open. No.
Hesitated, but why? When I was long biased, like I understand I am long biased just because of the dollar. But I don't have any like real demand right there. Like it has to be created. Like I really like 40. Like 40 is not bad right here. Tick chart is still skewed to the short side. Very, very much. Wasn't broke. We have not broken the zero line. So I deleted this. I deleted this resistant. We already went through. I think so, right? Yes. It's not valid anymore. Move on. A lot of short covering. A lot of short covering right there. So the COT from yesterday is at 44.65. We are not in any sort of range here. Like the range is right there, like 45.08. So I don't have any I don't have anything here other than this or the close. Yesterday we didn't have any sideways movement. We did, but it was from 11 to till the closing, right? So let's see what we can encounter here. Let's see if we can reach at least this 54. This was a demand created yesterday in the afternoon. And now we're using it as a supply area. $9.45. Advanced decline went up, but stopped going up. So now, oh shit, we do have a divergence, bro.
What?
On the
ADD?
yeah, but big time. I think it might be a good time to take a short. Yes. I want to see the 5-minute on the dollar. Even though the dollar is going down, this shit is not going up. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm taking this. Let's see if I can take this. See if I can take 47.50. I'm in it. Um, 5, 4. Yeah, a lot of buying right there. Let's see if this trade works. I do have a divergence on the advanced line. That's a pretty good signal often. Let's see if we can break this to the downside. The dollar is going up.
Where's your target?
Yeah, it's very aggressive. It's too much, right?
Where's your target?
Yeah, I'm gonna put here.
Wait, what was it?
Yeah, it was like 32, but I didn't move it. So it's 40, 50. See how this goes. So a lot of selling there, but being absorbed. I don't like that. So minus 1500, and now is 1300. So there's a lot of buying going on right there at 45, big time. Yes. So that might be it. That might be it. Let's see if sellers are strong enough there, and they are not. So we encounter a wall of buyers here. Let's see if the sellers are strong enough to keep it up. Let's say, again, plus 300 to, again, aggressive selling there, but being absorbed at 45. Yeah, so aggressive buying there. I'm gonna protect my trade. I'm gonna protect my trade just because 45 is being too solid and is not going through, and a lot of selling happened here. So if we go above this, we might have a continuation to the upside. A lot of selling here and didn't follow through. That's not good. So I'm back to break even. If we break to the downside, then fine, because a lot of selling is happening at 45, but a lot of buying are trying to hold prices at 45. So it is what it is. Either it's either I don't make any money, or I just get to my target. Let's see. Yeah, 45 has been very. Oh, there you go. A lot of stops there. A lot of stops. A lot of stops. A lot of stops. Yeah, the dollar is back to some sort of supply, let's say. Remember, I'm not very bearish, but we did have a signal, so I'm taking it. There you go. So I got to stop that break even. That's fine. I was plus 3 points or something. So a lot of stops being triggered here, and it flew to the upside. Short covering maybe. Who knows? let's see if we can reach this level again, like 45, 44.50, and if we have a divergence, I'll put another order there. Yeah, and they stopped me out. And my target was around here, right? Where was my target here? Yeah, 40, right? What I can say is that it's close to my target, bro. Fuck me.
So annoying.
Yeah, it is. It is annoying, but it is what it is as well. I got stopped out to the tick. Well, not to the tick. It went 47. Yeah, 50 cents. Yeah, that's okay. But I saw this wall at 45, and I was like, damn, a lot of buyers here. Then they bailed out. They bailed them out here. And we had this spike. And I didn't, I was not wait. Exhaustion for what? So to take a long?
You change your bias?
I mean, my bias was long, but I need a demand. Where's your location at?
So
The open? All right.
well, I actually want to see some caution.
All right.
Dollars also high. High. Okay.
There you go. So I would have reached target. Damn. How much was it, by the way? $7 points. Yeah, at this point, advanced decline is skewed to the downside, and there's no buy there. Um, Tick chart is below zero, and the dollar is going up. I would rather probably below this level or the overnight. Who knows? The overnight is gonna. Yeah, but now the dollar is going up, bro. We haven't had any exhaustion, right? I don't think it's safe to take the long as of now. I don't have a clear signal. Like advanced decline is going down. Tick chart hasn't broken zero. The dollar is yeah, isn't like some sort of supply created at 8:30, but I don't think that's sufficient. I honestly, I rather just taking longs here at 27. I know it's hard and it's ugly and it's scary, but 27 is a safe zone for me. Una distraído, ya. Te lo voy a poner en do no disturb. Vas a ver cómo te concentras más en el chart. No, viejo, suelta el mouse. Um, that's true. If you don't think is the right time to put a trade, just don't grab the mouse. Just leave it alone. I don't think is the right time to take the long. I think we will have a long today, but sellers are getting squeezed. Uh, I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. If we get above 4480 where the majority of selling was, probably. This is easy to know where the majority of the orders were. And it's here. You see that? Right here. That's why I said all right, like 48 probably. 44 48. Above this level, then I will say yes, the majority of sellers. The sellers are getting squeezed. But right now, it doesn't look like. No, I took a short from here. My target was here, and they stopped me at break even in this spike. Here. Yeah, unfortunate. I don't think my entry was the best one. If I spotted the so I got in here. I got in this candle, right? I got in this candle. So I spotted it um too late. My entry should have been this one. Here in this red candle. That's where I should have been in, but I spotted it late, sorry. I spotted it late. And then I got in here on a limit order. That's why they stopped me out, because I was late. I was late to the party. I think we might have a chance to get to 44.27. If we get 44.27, then yes. I will not pay attention to internals so much here, because internals are going to be very negative. So I will just exclusively wait for the footprint chart to give me a some sort of signal of aggressive buying here. If I don't have it, then I will not take the long. If I have it, then I will take the risk. Period. But if I want to take a long here, I cannot pay attention to the entire. I have to override my internals analysis, because the internals are going to be very, very negative. So I need to be patient, because I was up here. I don't want to get caught in a retracement while I'm taking a short, right? First, we need to break the overnight low and create some value down here, like some sort of like this type of formation, but down here, so I can feel like more comfortable on taking this thing to the downside. Now, the deal is that we have the demand here, so who wants to short close to this demand? I think this demand is very, very good. I just got it from here. I got it from here. Even if we come back to this level, still around there. I want to ask myself if this is the same level. Yeah, no. So yeah, this is the best area right here. 24 actually, and it was barely tested this day. It was August 28th. See, we can reach it. It's 24. No exhaustion yet. What?
It's the morning's high.
Yeah, yeah. Dollar is breaking to the upside. Hmm. So look at this. How the internals are so skewed to the short side. Look at the tick chart. It hasn't gotten to the zero line yet. What time is it? It's past 10 a.m. The dollar is breaking its highs, and again the market is trying to push up. Now there's a scenario that I can pay attention to. If we break this right to the downside, let's say here, and then we have a sudden rejection, I might change my bias just because of the dollar, how the dollar is. Look at the dollar. Look at the dollar. It broke this high again. Same high here. Sorry, let me put the daily. Again, it's trying to push down. It's rejecting on the 5 minutes. But in this case, I will just need all these people that were long here being stopped out, meaning breaking the overnight low. See a lot of stops being triggered on the footprint and then taking a long, but not right now. So I need to understand why. I need to understand why and how I don't move my stop here and when. I need to study that. OBS Studio reconnecting. Reconnection successful. Alright. I don't understand what is wrong with my computer. I really don't get my computer today. Need to clean it up probably. Bro, the dollar is strong. Hmm? Dollar is very strong. What do you guys think? Long or short? What do you think? I think there are short opportunities and there are long opportunities, but in the right locations. Like for me, the long is not there. For me, it is 24. Yeah, we're 16 points away, so probably not today. Now the short, hmm, I like the 48 area. Let's go see what Apple is doing. Yeah, retracing a little bit here. Dressing a little bit here, a little bit there. Defense closed. Went to the supply, and now we're trying to reject that to the downside. I'm about to have another divergence, bro. See how this goes. What is your advanced decline? Oh no, yes, it's working. Está en una zona muy jodida, dice Juan Martín. Yeah, ahorita. Tight your hands, bro. There's nothing to do. Unless you have something, like I don't. Another divergence, bro. Textbook divergence. Uh no, I had this red line, but it's like 44. I have this problem that I need a larger retracement. This one was not bad, but I wasn't paying attention, to be honest. Now that I was paying attention, it's not going. Dollars back down. If dollars back down with this thing going down, wow, a lot of setting there. 3,000 contracts, bro. 3,500. 4,000. 41. 41.15. That's a lot. It's a lot of selling there. So we can have one more spike to 48 or 40, 47. For those 12 that are watching the live stream, thank you. Thanks for spending your time here with us. Yeah, yeah. Slowly but steady. Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully, yes.
Divergence,
Do you have a divergence?
the same ADD.
Yeah, look at the same fucking. Yeah, advanced decline is fucking dying. He's dying. Yeah. Let's go take a look at the dollar. The dollar broke to the upside, and this thing is dropping, and the market is not going up, guys. So that's not good news for the market. I think it's more likely the higher probability based on the dollar is more downside. Apple just flat here, and we moved out from this level very sharply, and we're building value here. Let's see how this goes. Momentum is lost here in Apple. Um, these are the fangs. Obviously, Apple is in this index, but the fangs are being a little bit more positive than Apple today. Where is it? I think, yeah, here we can see. Let's go to the daily. Like Microsoft is positive. Google is flat. Tesla is dropping 2.5%. Meta is 1.5% up. Nvidia minus 2.7. Damn. Yeah. And Amazon is positive. It's more like a mixed bag here. I just have taken just one trade, a short from here. They stop me out here. And then it moved to my target. It is what it is. Now I'm just standing by. I like to trade more. Like I really want to take more trades, but thing is that I'm not comfortable. Probably this one I will have to check the footprint recording to see if I missed this entry. And this one is too shallow for me. Like ideally this. And if we check the today's COT, let me see what today's COT is. Starting to migrate value to the downside. Yeah, more trading on this side of the chart. So it's gonna be hard for it to go up and not to continue to go up. Let's see. Because now we're building value here. One minute for the next 30 minutes as well. Tick chart barely touched the zero line. I really want to see breaking this support and coming down in a like a quick rejection to see if I can take this to the downside. Just doing this exercise, right? If I do this, if I do this. Yeah, 2 to 1 is not far from the overnight low. Yeah, Apple is not breaking. Apple is not breaking.
Are we to the 38?
I don't know. It's like the location is the worst possible location you can have. You do have a lot of selling there.
Buying 35.
Exhaustion or no?
No, no, no. Well, that someone's getting exhausted, so the break is gonna be now.
Yeah, now Apple is breaking.
That's really though.
¿Qué cosa? No, I was watching the footprint. I never got a signal. No, but no, you know that this type of location is not me. Now I'm just almost here. Is the dollar coming down?
Yeah.
Big time? There we go.
What?
No, no, that's good. I'm just monitoring Apple.
Create a lot. You'll be getting a massage.
To the upside? To fall?
Bottom. Be aligned.
Short covering, bro. Big time.
Dollar is there.
$48,
If
$47, $48.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Balance decline is aggressively going up. Double bottom. You're in it? Are you? I want to wait for this thing to give me some sort of. Wow. De los buyers están agarrando todo esto. A lot of buyers. It's short squeeze. It's been squeezed. But right now we're at 47. What time? Where do you get it? 46? Yeah, you were very early. You out of it? That's fine. Now we're just at 48. I'd like to see some sort of squeeze here. Now, buyers are absorbing everything, bro. Buyers are absorbing everything. Buyers are absorbing everything. Yeah, like I'm telling you, big time squeeze. Where's the dollar at? All right, so it's getting to some sort of demand, but it double topped on the 5 minute. There's a big momentum. Wow. Overreaching yesterday's COT. Figure this is yesterday's COT, right? Oh no, this is yesterday. No, this is a yesterday demand. Why is that? What do you have? Exhaustion?
And yesterday's very high.
No. Yeah. You don't have exhaustion, number one. You don't have exhaustion. Is the high is not the highest volume. Is it the highest volume? Is it higher than the open? It's not. This is even lower. This is even lower volume. And look at this. This is a train. The advanced decline is a train. So we need to wait for it to give us the right signal, even an exhaustion or divergence. Do you have an area there? Oh, you took it.
No, but I was like, porque entré por error.
Oh yeah.
Karen,
Yeah. Better. Better because for now we don't have anything. I do have an area at 54. Let's see what happens at 54. Obviously, this is squeezing all the sellers, right? Right now, yes. Right now, the market is squeezing all the sellers. I know this is boring, guys, but waiting is actually an active job in trading. So let's do our best to wait for the right opportunity. I might have completely misread the dollar. Oh, the dollar is reaching some sort of pivots here. Okay, so right now, if we get above this, if we get above this, we could engage in this thing short. So aggressive buying right there. There's more aggressive buying than selling. So the next candle on the dollar can give us a push here to the upside. Alright, so I have an order there. See how this goes. Fuck me. ¿Cuánto era tu estado?
Marico. No, fue una cosa. Iría a poner acá, pero para no white, yo mi white. Ese es el.
¿Cuál?
5. ¿Tiene?
Búscate tu pacifier, marico. 30 seconds. I'm coming back in 2 seconds. All right, we are back here. This rejection, very, very unexpected here. I think it's worth to go and check the recording of the footprint and see what happened here. This squeeze, bunch of buyers came in. The 48 didn't work. I didn't take it. I was waiting for the signal here. So one thing that really, really bothers me is when I am trying to take this thing short. Let's say all this movement, and then I have this thing on the advanced decline. Let me see, how can I show you this? Okay, so this is the advanced decline. So this type of movement in the advanced decline is very, very dangerous if you want to short. You want something shallow like this one, and then a doji and something. But oh, look at this. It's too hard. It's too hard to get a short a winning short trade when you're against this. Like, look at this here at the open, same movement. Even worse. Like, it was even more steeper, right? Now the dollar hasn't reached the demand yet. I wanted to get in this trade right here, right before I went to grab my coffee. But this type of trade is like the first one. It's like the first trade that I took. Is either after this and then continuation, but not after we build value here. After we went sideways here. I don't like this thing here, like this. After this. After this movement. Okay? That's why I'm not taking it right now. I'm not even thinking about taking it. The 51. This, I had an order here before we went to grab the coffee. But me taking this is right after this move, this candle. Huh? Yes. But right now, after we build this here, I don't know. So above this, so we don't have divergence on the advanced decline from we don't have exhaustion. Let's see what happens when we get to 54. That's the next action to be taken if we get to 54. If we don't get to 54 and we drop, let's see if we have any opportunity. But for now, long, I don't know. I don't really like the long. Not up here. I wanted my long here, 24, and we haven't even reached that level. So it's, the market is very resilient. I want to go check the daily chart. Yeah. It's now neutral candle. It's not a neutral candle. It's now a neutral candle. And the Dow is positive, by the way. This might be a double distribution day where you have this and then probably another sideways here for the rest of the day.
be the one talking.
Maybe, yeah. You said I have a launching point on the pre-market. 35? Oh, that was it?
Yeah.
Huh?
35 was the lunch.
From when? August?
August.
Show it to me. Wow. When was that? Can you scroll like yeah.
I told you pre-market.
Yeah, yeah. Open up that. What time is that?
It was 35, but the big launching point was at 9:30, 9:40, so it wasn't on. It was a market open. I think we rallied that day. Yeah, we rallied the whole day.
What day was that?
That was August 29th.
August 29th. August 29th. Let's go check the news on August 29th. Jobs job opening. No. K Schiller. Oh no, we didn't have anything. Yeah, we the only thing we had is K Schiller on the pre-market. Vas así. O sea, contrato.
No tengo aquí.
Easy, bro. Easy. Now I ask you, if we need to do a pre-market right now, let's say we're gonna do a pre-market, what will you think? What will you think right now? Okay, let's say we're gonna open right now. What would you like, long or short? Also, um, you have the internals. Where is your context right now? What is your context?
I would say we have a lot of room.
To what?
And the dollar to keep going up. But we've already, I mean, we are sitting at a supply.
Yeah, we broke that high. So that was my pre-market, digamos,
Yes.
idea, right? Like we're not bearish, 100% bearish.
I mean, I wanted to long it up the open. I don't know why. Yeah.
Do you have an open range breakout,
Yeah.
like an open range sort of trading setup? We did, right? Like the first 10, 15 minutes was incredibly bullish. So we are reaching this level, 54. 56. Hmm? All right. If it continues to go up, I have 54. Let's see what happens at 54. 2 more minutes in this 5.
That'll be an automatic.
No.
Already supposed.
The good part is that we're losing momentum here to the upside, and the dollar is trying to break to the upside. Yeah, like 30 minutes probably. Yeah. Hey guys, if you give a thumbs up, will help us to reach more traders. So for those coming out to the live stream, I would appreciate a thumbs up if you like the content that we made here. We make here. What do you mean that it's not providing good information? It's not providing. Good morning, but ES is providing the internals wrong today. The correlation doesn't seem to work. Is it as if ES is leading the dollar? No, not really. The internals are very logical. I don't see why you said it's not good correlation. Like, um, Look at the advanced line. Actually, um, we did have a divergence to the upside. Let me see if I can show you this too. No, I was not looking for any type of long trades. But look at this. This is a divergence. See this? The market is dropping here, and here on the advanced decline it is creating a higher low. You see that? That's a perfect signal. I mean, I'm not saying this my system is perfect by any means, but and this run up, this run on the ES was supported by the advanced decline, big time. Look at this run. That's why I had trades around here. I had trades around here, and I didn't take them because this thing was not stopping. Right? I think it's perfectly correlated. Now it's negative. The majority of the stops are going down, but that doesn't mean that it's an absolute short trading day. Remember, pre-market I was saying I'm not 100% short. I am not 100% short because the dollar was reaching some pivots here. I took a short at the right time. I got stopped out break even. It would have worked. So this is dollar reaching above this pivot, right? Is this pivot gonna tank the dollar forever and ever for the next 10 years? I don't know, but it's nevertheless a zone that we're reaching. Okay, so that's why I was like, all right, I don't know if the short is the best move, right? We need to be able to adapt when the market is doing its thing. It's very um it's very random. The market goes up, it goes down. You need to adapt to what the market is doing at the time. Also, you have another thing. Apple accounts for the 7% of the index. 7% of the index. We opened up here. We came to this demand that I had for a few weeks now. It bounced back. It bounced from there. We built value. Now we are breaking to the upside. That's why the ES is retracing, because Apple represents 30%. Sorry, 7%. And then you have this index, which accounts for 34% of for the entire S&P. 30% of the weight is in these 7 stocks. So look at this. They're going up. Now, there is here a COT to the short side. Is it going to work? I don't know. And look at the market. The market stopped right after this thing stopped. I think correlations are working fine. So I wanted this thing to get to 54. Did not get there. And right now being like 11:20, I don't know if I will have the momentum for me to take another trade. So one thing that could happen is this intraday balance breakout. Now we're balancing right here. Right, if we break to the downside, a sudden retest here or a continuation to the downside. I see the dollar going up, but the ES is also going to the top. Yes. Oh, all right. So let me talk about that. That's very interesting, right? So, and let's go here. I'm gonna look for this. So weekend MRCI intermarket correlations. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. So I found it. You guys see this screen, right? Okay. I don't know if you can read it, but I will tell you this is MRCI online, mrci.com. And you have the ES. Let's put the 30-day correlation, right? Because this is a short term. If you go, the farther you go, the less correlated it is, right? Because obviously the beta of the DXY with the market is completely off. Okay, so the short-term correlation, you have it here, 30-day max, right? So these people give you some sort of approach to what the market is correlating. So they do a regression and they estimate how correlated is the DX with the S&P. Okay, and you have it here is minus 68%. Okay, is not 100% or minus 100%. That means that the dollar, the majority of the time, it moved in the opposite direction, but not exactly or the same distances. I don't know if you get my idea. So that means that the dollar might move a little bit up or a little bit down and the market is not going to be correlated. So when is that I need to pay much attention to what the dollar is doing? And the ES, right? Is at key areas. What the dollar is doing at key areas. And if coincides with the market being in a key area. If the dollar is in demand and the market is in supply and both of them are key or key reference areas, right? Then you will say, all right, the high probability is that they work. And at any given time, it could not work because the correlation is 68% oppositely correlated. You get my idea, right? Ayad? Sometimes the market will move up and the dollar will move up as well, right? Now, the perfect storm for me is dollar up and rates up. That means dollar up, rates up, and the market going down. That means the flood of money is going into the US dollar. Everyone is just buying dollars and getting rid of everything else, right? But today we have an up dollar and a mixed rates. Rates are going down or are flat. Like short term is flat, short term is down, long term is flat. When you have this type of mixed bag, you don't have a perfect contextual alignment, right? You don't have everything pointing in one direction. That's why you could have this type of days. And guess what? These type of days are the majority of the trading days. Like this one yesterday up to this point. Let's say you didn't see how it closed, but let's say it closed like this, right? That is not the majority of the days. Majority of the days are more messy, right? That's the reality. So we need to adapt. I have my friend here, my partner. He had a 35 to buy, but I was like, damn, the momentum is down. A lot of selling here, right? All these sell orders accumulated just squeeze this thing to the upside. Period. Like up to this level from the open, right? Let's say here. First, in the morning, we did have this, right? And I said, all right, so the majority of sell orders are right here. Okay, so they're not being squeezed. They are not being squeezed. But guess what? After time passed, we're around like 10:30. Now look where my value is right now. migrated from here to here. See that? Get rid of this. All right. Migrated from here to here. That means that if and when you go above this, all the majority of orders, all the positions are here, are gonna be squeezed to the upside. I don't know if you get my idea. So when this happened, obviously we did have a stronger squeeze to the upside. It's not me trying to explain everything. The market is very messy, but it's also very logical. 2-year and 10-year rates, yes, yes. So the yield curve is something that I watch on the pre-market analysis when I come here and I say the dollar is this, the dollar is that, and my bias is short, long. I do have an algorithm that I created. It's pretty simple. Rates up, dollar up, is usually bad for tech stocks, right? It's not even for the entire market. It's for tech stocks. And but you can see like 30% of this index is tech, and the Nasdaq obviously suffers a little bit more because I think Apple only Apple is, I think, accounts for 11% of the Nasdaq, right? And it's 7% of the S&P. But the FANGs plus Tesla and Nvidia is like 30 something percent of the market. So that's why whatever they're doing, the market is gonna follow. Now, if we were trading the Russell, that's a completely different story. If we're trading the Russell, but we're not trading the Russell, we're trading this because I find an edge on this thing, on the ES and the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is very good, very volatile, but it's not good for my psychology. I used to trade the Nasdaq. If you watch all my past videos, all of them are in the Nasdaq. Then I started to practice on the ES, and I really put in work into it because I was focused more on the NQ. But then when I stopped doing the live streams, I put the work into the ES, and I think I found an edge. Did I answer your question? Yeah, now momentum is dead. No problem, man. Anytime. Bro, Apple is bouncing off of the demand, but still dropping 3%. It's not a small thing.
He's dropping 3%.
3%,
and the market is up. The market is flat.
Yeah, the market is flat, but I'll tell you.
What's holding on the market
though? So Apple has dropped 6.5% on the current price. In 2 days. So that's big. What was your question?
What's keeping the market up?
All right, let's take a look at this. What is the market? What is the keeping the market up? Meta is 1.5 up. Nvidia is down. Microsoft is flat. Google is flat. Tesla is down. Amazon is up 0.5%. Which version of TradingView do you use? Is there a version of TradingView?
Maybe he's confused. Do you have dark and light mode?
No, it's. I think it's
It's just an online mode.
Yeah, I think it's the one version. I don't know if there are plan. Oh yeah, the paid plan, the full, like the one that is $50 a month or something. Yeah. Yeah, you need to get that one in order to get all the data for the advanced decline and the I'll tell you how much it is. But if you're willing to wait, they always, all the time. Oh, here, there it is. Give me 1 second. Products pricing. Yeah, yeah. You need to get the premium. You need to get the premium, but I'll tell you one thing. You can do one thing. So today is what, September, October. Yeah, no, it's 2 months, right? So I'll tell you. You can do 2 free trials, right? And in November for Black Friday, you will get 5% off, 50% off. Okay? So I'll tell you that. Do that. And that will give you 13-month subscription. So next year you cannot get the Black Friday. So try to figure how to work with that. You can get that for 30% off. Sorry, 50% off. It'll be like 30 bucks a month. Yes, I think you could do a free trial. Yes. It says try free for 30 days. I don't have affiliate links for TradingView, but it's this one. Premium. And then you have this one, $500 a month if you want to pay it. I don't know what is that.
Professional subscribers.
Yeah, but
Or let me see, go down. 500 a month.
500 a month. Yeah, who knows?
There comes the Bloomberg terminal.
No, I think the Bloomberg terminal is like $2,000.
A month?
Yeah.
A month?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I know, but if you are a professional trader and you make millions, who cares? You can get the terminal. And I don't think it's worth, like, it has some sort of news and
It helps a lot with the stock valuation because it has a lot of information.
that there's not online. Yeah, that's the thing. But if you're like trader like us,
Yeah.
it's not something that you absolutely need. All right, so no
Trades.
no divergence on this. No divergence on the advanced decline. Do we have any sort of exhaustion? We're having, right? We are having a little bit. No, it's a bit higher.
A bit higher than the rest, but look at the other ones.
Yeah.
I mean, it's out of your zone.
It's in my zone, yes. But here on the footprint, there's nothing that is really
Your favorite?
interesting. Yeah. 200. Yeah, there's nothing there.
And that launching point at 35 was key.
Yeah, it was, bro. Healer.
It was super key. about to close the gap.
No.
What price did the market close yesterday?
No, marico, okay. 71.
Ah.
Bueno, no, we're just 20 points away, 15 points away. At this pace, we can get there.
Oh, market.
You see this? We were trying to play this to the downside. We never got trade. No, yeah, I mean, we never got the trade. I want to see what's going on in this area. Where the dollar's at? Oof. Horrible.
Would they have some sort of exhaustion on 942 that would just help us see the drop because of divergence to 942.
42.
942.
No, we didn't have divergence.
We didn't have divergence there.
No.
That wasn't the one that you said.
Oh no, it's here. It's down here. Look at this divergence. Look at this divergence. Look here.
No, at 942.
Yeah, but what do you got?
No, at 942.
Oh, 942. No. 942. Oh yeah. No, I did have a divergence here.
Yeah, that's why. And we have some sort of exhaustion too.
Two? Yeah, yeah.
High. Not as high as
yeah, but it's higher than almost as high as the open.
It was like a zero. It wasn't even a zero.
No, it's here. Yeah, no. Oh, forget about the tick, but look at this. This high and this high. See that? You see? See here? See here? Huh? You see here and then you see here? That's the one.
Yeah.
I did take it, but I took it late. I took it here. So here was the right entry. I took it here. It is what it is.
a big drop.
I do have the demand at 104.93. Yeah. So it'll be around here. You don't feel okay? Yeah, if you don't feel fine. Yeah, I know, I understand.
It wasn't like I didn't lose that many points. My trade.
Yeah, mentally, mentally you don't feel okay. Yeah, that's fine. So I did not get any signal here, like unless I missed it while we were talking. Um. See if this demand works. Hmm. What the fuck? How did I miss my area, bro? So that's frustrating.
Any signals? Right?
I probably wasn't paying attention. Not exhaustion here. We did have some sort of like when we were calling the exhaustion, but that is not like a real exhaustion. 54, 57, 3 points, so too much. This is it for today, guys. Already moved from my area, didn't take it. Screw it up there. See you guys tomorrow, okay? Trade safe. Bye bye.